Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin with a sharp question. What gap are you filling and why it matters? Translate that into 3-5 keywords plus synonyms and Boolean combos. Open Google Scholar, use advanced search fields, author, journal, year range, and test an exact phrase query. Once done, save the query and enable alerts so new papers arrive in your inbox. Make sure to set the time filter to the relevant window. This reduces noise and surfaces recent, high-impact sources right away. Now focus on refinement and depth. Run iterative searches, add filters, exclude irrelevant terms, and try phrase or proximity tweaks to narrow results. Click Cited by on promising papers to trace influential work, then use related articles to jump to parallel studies. Check citation counts and versions. Higher counts indicate influence, but inspect content quality. Once you find key texts, click Library Links or All X versions to locate PDFs, and export records to your reference manager. Finish by consolidating what you found. Export bibtx or EndNote files and tag entries by theme, method, or relevance. Create a literature map and draft a short synthesis that highlights gaps, leading hypotheses, and methods you might adopt. Once done, set recurring alerts for new work. If you hit problems, no PDFs or irrelevant results, adjust keywords, check institutional access, try different year ranges, or use all versions to find full text. This usually resolves missing material issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.